Good day, everyone. So for today's video, we're gonna do another backtesting session, but it's gonna be my third year worth of data, and I want to do this journey with all of you, right? With me, so that I'm not the only one who's learning. You're also able to learn, how effective, how accurate, and how mechanical this strategy truly is. But you also add discretion along the way because yes, S plus enabled setup is a type of trace we should always and always should take because that is part of the system, that is part of the statistics. And based on our past video, you can see how high the win rate on this model that I'm using so far for the past 2 years of data. I have a combined 75+% win rate with over 100 plus R, in those 2 years of data. And this particularly in 2023, this is going to be my last year worth of data on this back testing. I'm just going to be focusing on forward testing and live trades on that alone. So yeah, I hope you like this back testing sessions because I truly enjoy it because I'm learning a lot of new things. I'm getting market experience through time. I'm gaining discretion through time, and I hope you're able to enjoy this type of sessions as well. Nonetheless, I hope my previous video on checking the statistics or the data for the past 2 years kind of gave you a hint or that conviction that, oh shit, I just really need to trust the statistics. I need to trust the data. That every single time that, 100% of the time I execute this S plus, E plus trades that is within my system, within my model, I win, you know, 75% of the time. And you just need to trust that. You need to be sharp, level headed, and be disciplined enough to execute your setups day in and day out. Nonetheless, let's go here on the January 2023 and let's do this backtesting session again. All right. What do we always do? Because it's a new year, I want to see where we're currently at. Mm, all right. I want to really see where we are. So we're kind of like trending lower. So oh, right. We're currently trending lower, but I can't really see, where we're trying to go. Also, it's January, so the year just started. If I want something to get taken out, I want to feel this level per hour. Yeah, it looks good to feel that. So per hour, align with this equal highs. So all right. Look at news today. There's no news. Right. So there's this buy side over here. How about ES? Did ES already take that? So per hour. Hmm. Not gonna rely much on S&Ps now. How about 15 minute? All right. For me, this high is a really, really strong draw. Do we have long? Not really. Hmm. Yeah, I don't really have like an S&P there. I'm just gonna let this be. Yeah. Because if it did, I mean, we're not gonna get stopped out, but it wasn't that valid enough for me. I want to see more, price present me uh, more structure. It's a really strong displacement to the downside. All right, I think we're just gonna flush here to the downside after taking this buy side liquidity. We're we're at London low. Um, London lows are down here. But hourly was holding. Did it? Did we have like an S&P after that? It's really hard to tell here at the moment. But we took this what December 26th high. And yes, yeah, we did. Actually, I think we went higher on ES, which maybe we already took a 4 hour gap. Anyways, the lows are down here, Asia lows are down here. Wait a sec, what happened? What happened? Did I accidentally skip through time? Bro, I accidentally skipped through time, guys. What happened? Shit, I skipped through time, guys. I don't know how, but that's, I tapped something and I skipped through time. So I think it's gonna be a no trade day here in June 3, but I was actually trying to look for shorts at this area. Yeah, there's no hard time frame gap as well. Because we had a really, really strong rejection after that. I was looking for a short, probably like right here, something like that. Or like London lows. We missed this just because I skipped through time. So So it's just gonna be a no trade day, but you know, there's actually trades in here that we missed just because I skipped through time accidentally. So basically, it's my here is I skip through time accidentally. But this is a clean setup over here, clean setup on this one. More like A plus to me. It's like really nice inversion. There's no higher time frame gap. Inverse, probably like break even at this low. Really fluent price action actually. So yeah, I'll screenshot that. And let's log it in here. It's gonna be a no trade day, but I for sure took that one if you know I wasn't able to. I didn't accidentally like skip that. So let's go now to the different day, which is January 4th. Which I know there's. I'm I'm sorry, guys. I am accidentally, bro. I am accidentally skipping through time. I hope that's fine with y'all, because it was a mistake. But yeah, let's lock in here. Let's lock in here, guys. Skip through time again. There was a news this day as well. All right. Was there gonna be a trade anyway? Wasn't the cleanest as well. I think there's gonna be a trade here, but it's not the cleanest. Is there anything out of that sweep? Not really. So it wasn't. Oh, I meant this one, 941. Yeah, it's took 930 highs as well. Not the easiest spot. It's also maybe like thinking this was like an easy short, but it wasn't really the easiest to spot. Yeah, I do think there's no. This is also gonna be a no trade day. Really? Oh no, we took 845 highs. Oh, there's actually an SMT out of it. Like this one. Oh, you could spot it. It's really spottable. Yeah, it was spottable, but again, you have to take it. Oh, I'm definitely aiming something low. I could stop that on break even anyway, but I just face like this. I'm not skip through time again. Skip through time again. And it's a no trade day. But for me, it's more like a sub-ish optimal trade. But yeah, this is an accidental no trade day, guys. But it wasn't the highest quality as well, but there's a high probability that we're taking it anyway. So, what happened? I suddenly like zoomed in something. What happened? I don't know. It low-key zoomed in, guys. I don't really know how and why. I mean, is that a good thing? You can see things bigger now. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't even know. Anyways, I guess we're gonna have a big shit here. Fire 5. Okay, there was a pre-market move. I think it's not really that impactful. I don't see any wicks. So it's not really that impactful, but I like this equal lows over here. I like it. Looks good. So until 15 minutes here. So you say manipulation is 15 minutes. Can we have any manipulation? Right. Actually, this could be a discretionary short. There was an S&P at this high. Looks like price would just flush it out downside. All right. It's more discretionary, guys, but I'm taking it. Everything looks so big right now. It looks so awkward. I'm not gonna lie, but it's even manipulate somewhere though. Wait, maybe an SMC? Yeah, SMC. Not really much manipulation, but it's like an FBT SMC right here. Not really FBT SMC, but it's an SMC out of this size. This is more discretionary, guys. Yeah, it's much possible I want a manipulation here. But seems like we're just gonna flush towards sell side liquidity over here. Yeah, let's just go for a 1-to-1 here. Probably like break even at this low. Then we have an S&T here. It's a discretionary over here. Discretionary. Just to clarify that, because this is not an A plus setup by any means, but we have a strong conviction. Gonna be flashing lower. Yes, there was a manipulation at the. Oh, actually, there was an S&P lower as well. Wait a sec. I'm just gonna watch this, okay? Oh shit, I was right. Anyways, I don't really care. I don't really care. I think at least I was right, but why didn't I take it? Despite having like, the conviction that we're gonna go lower, it's really lower probability for us, for my trades to hit when it's like so early out of market open. So I prefer to just not take that. Anyways, that's all we were there. I didn't take it. All right, I was right with my draw on liquidity. All right, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? 5 minute. See if we can inverse this 5 minute. Maybe. We did inverse the 5 minute, which is good. But 15-minute channel would open as well, so it's like more of like a waiting time. We had an SMT there with yes. Not really. Oh, there is. There was an SMT. However, are we this? What's the probability for us to disrespect that 15-minute gap? All right, I'm taking this. Seems like we really wanted to disrespect that 15 minute. And I'm targeting this high. So, oh, it's like, mhm. So we're targeting this high right here. I think it's like that high. Is it? Not really. It's a really, really nice spike. There's a 15 minute here. Should we wait for it to close or not? It's a 15 minute over here. There's a 15-minute gap. All right, I'm taking it. Where's an SMT at this low anyways? All right, what's happening right now? All right, so what were our confluence here? We had like a 5 minute IFVG to the upside, and we're currently in the 5 minute right now, and it seems like we're gonna inverse it again, so that's a good thing. So there's another 5 minute inverse value up here. Actually, this one is a 5 minute BPR. All right, so we had an inverse, so let's do that. There's also a BPR at this low. Okay, this one looks pretty A plus to me. There's also an S&P at this low. Yeah, it's pretty clean. That's so 15 minutes to the upside. We had, oh, everything was just lining up. There's an open, open low, high close type of thing. All right, this looks A plus. Okay, I'm taking this trade, guys. Towards until 15 minute over here. Is that a good place to TP? Yeah, I think so. And my break even gonna be at this high. Mark that on ES as well, because it depends who takes it first. But I have a strong conviction with this reversal. If ever this would fail, it's just we fail to enter the 15 minutes. Pretty much it. All right, that's the reasoning. If ever we lose this trade, right? I'm risking so much on this one. Maybe like 20, like 15, I guess. It's gonna risk 1% or like a little over 1% maybe. No, that's under 1%. Let's go with 20 micros. All right, it's a little over 1% here. All right, screenshot this. It's gonna be our first trade, probably our last trade as well. All right, let's play this out. Oh, got stopped out there. Probably failed to enter the 15 minute. Yes, we did. Wow, all right. Um, A plus, but it was premature. It's premature, guys, since we didn't wait for the 15 minute to inverse. But I really had strong conviction with that one. A really strong conviction on that one because it's got the liquidity also has a bullish S&P on it. But and he took it. So it was premature and the 15 minute wasn't inverse. Inverse yet. All right. Fine. It's a fine loss, guys. It's a good loss for me. Though it could actually be avoided because, I could just wait the 15 minutes to close, but sometimes I just really get ran through. For me, this is a good loss still. Still a good loss because with that much conviction, everything just aligns. I'm willing to take longs from there. So that's a lot starting the month of the year of 2023, the month of January. So it's on Friday. If we don't have a trade by Friday, that's gonna be it for this backtesting session. Duration, I went in, I think, this candle, then I got stopped out here. 8 minutes, around maybe like a 3-star type of good loss. Wasn't the highest quality setup, but the discretion and as well as conviction was there, so pretty happy we're good with that loss. Right, so I assume it's gonna be an 8:30 news here. Right, so this is a data low. Technically, this is a data low right here. Data high was already taken. I just want shorts at this point. Is there any? All right. Maybe we don't like to take data low. All right, this is an obvious data low. Is it? Yeah, I'll take this short, guys. There's an S&P out of this. Delivering for a 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. And we got this really, really strong inverse. And for me, I don't know. Data lows are goaded, guys. Just trust. Look at this. Data lows are goaded. Data lows are goaded. It's if I'll ever have confluence, it has to be this best confluence in the world. We inverse the first percentage, which is also the highest time frame inversion of the leg. And what else? I mean, we're in currently the 15 minute right now, and we'll inverse this gap. Wait a second. Let's turn on actually the countdown to bar close, which is where was that? So this 5 minute will close in 2 minutes. Say, bro, we're gonna go break even. I'm just gonna break even here. This is a discretionary trade, guys. If you lose, this means just the market isn't rewarding discretion type of setups at the moment. That's so much bigger. That's so big of a risk. All right, so let's cut that like in a quarter. All right, let's take this short. Mm-hmm. Towards data lows, go and break even at this low. Take it. All right, all right. I'm going stops to break even there. Stops to break even. Let's actually look for S&P. Data lows are down here. All right, is it this low? Yeah, that low was taken now, but yeah. So yeah, this is valid. Valid D as well. NQ is going. Is leading. So let's put that also on our journal. We have. Oh shit. Are you gonna edge? It edged the data lows, bro. That's insane. We edged data lows without an SNC, or maybe YM took it. What? All right, that's a structural B, I guess. Stella edge data load, bro. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this session, but um, we just a little bit top-down analysis on this trade right here. After I put this one is a really, really structural BE, guys. I don't really know how we did not hit that low in any way, shape, or form. It was a data low. It's also a pre-market low. I mean, this is like a more valid data low, but it's still, you know, pre-market low as well. And this usually hits TP, but not not today, buddy. Not today, but we moved like what 94, almost 95 points to our TP. So it's not really a bad tip enemy, but it's a very, very bad tracker of BE. And yeah, the market is just, not really caring what you think, what you feel at the moment. It just, goes where it wants to go in. It decided to edge that. So it decided to edge that data low. Duration 938. I will get break even here anyway. So 22. I mean, it's a really good trade. Anyways, why did I take this trade? It's more discretionary, guys. More discretionary, that's for sure. But first of all, we had an SMT after taking this 5 minutes. We actually inversed it, but with an SMT. You can see ES took it while NQ didn't. So we had there a bearish SMT. Really strong space to the downside. It just showed intent that it wants to go lower. inverse the first percentage, just put my stops over here on the protected high, but you can, depending on where you want to put it. But this is the safest and, more, you know, systematic stop loss placement. Went to break even here because NQ took it faster than ES. It also is my break even spot because we're currently gonna go into this 5 minute failed break until 15 until 5 minute. 15 minute failed to inverse here, but that's not really a big deal when you're really this close. Like, what is this? Like under 4 points to hit TP, but just decided to edge me. So that's pretty much like, the talk on allowance for this trade and also my trading week for this session. Not the best, but not the worst as well. Um, Trades were taken with conviction, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it. And yeah, I just, just do a little bit, update the last video. Hope you like it, and I just really want to do the journey with y'all guys. So it's all for today's video. Hope you like it. And always remember that every time you follow your rules, you will be rewarded. Every time you disobey them, you will be punished. That's all, guys. Peace out.